let's talk about topic of my group mates is our Republic Act number 7336, the Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. So, what is the Republic Act number 7836? So, we have a presented by G Squad Group. And one of the member of G Squad Group, my name is Raizame R. Sapulno. So what is RA 7836 or Republic Act 7836? The Teachers Professionalization Act of 1994. So number law made to improve the quality of teachers in the Philippines. So it established the licensure examination or teacher or LET, which all aspiring teachers must pass to obtain a professional license and practice legally. So teaching is a profession that requires training, preparation, and ethical practice. So what is purpose of the law? This means that teachers should possess the necessary knowledge, skills, and competencies of to effectively teach their subject matter and manage a classroom environment. Teachers must demonstrate a deep understanding of the subject they teach to special needs, and educators act as mentors offering advice and direction to students on academic personal matters. So, yung mga inaano nilang purpose of the law, kagaya nito yung may mga special needs or may mga sakit na kailangang tulungan para mas mag-improve yung skill nila about sa pag-aaral at iba pa.
The Board for Professional Teachers. To achieve its goal, RA 7836 create the Board for Professional Teachers under the Professional Regulation Commission. This board is responsible for setting the rules and standards for the teaching profession. It evaluates whatever applicants or qualified prefer the question for the license examination for teacher or LET and the issue professional teaching license. Through this board, the process for becoming a teacher is ensured to be proper, fair, and standardized, helping maintaining the quality and professionalism of teachers in the country. It also ensures that licensed teachers continue to grow through ongoing development and improvement. Let's proceed to the next. Qualifications and the LET. RA 7836 also outlines the requirements for becoming a teacher in the Philippines. An applicant must complete a bachelor's degree in education, or if their degrees is different, they must take the required educational units. Most importantly, every aspiring teacher must pass the license examination for teachers. The LET is national exam that measures an applicant's general knowledge, teaching competence, and mastery of the specific subject they intend to teach. This examination ensures that all teachers across the country meet a uniform and reliable standard for quality before entering the profession.
Ethical standards in teaching. Another important part of RA 7836 is the focus on good morals and proper behavior. The law reminds teachers to follow a code of ethics, which includes being respectful, honest, and professional. Teachers must be good examples to students, treat everyone fairly, and work well with others. By setting these rules, the law protects students and keeps the teaching profession honorable. Penalties and protection of the profession. The law also gives penalties to those who break the rules. Anyone who teaches without a license, uses fake papers, or pretends to be a licensed teacher can face punishment. These penalties protect the profession and make sure that only qualified people are allowed to teach. In conclusion, Republic Act Number 7836 is an important law that helps strengthen the teaching profession in the Philippines. It sets the qualifications, the licensure exam, the ethical rules, and the system that guides teachers. Through this law, the country ensures that teachers are prepared, responsible, and trustworthy. RA 7836 helps improve the education system by making sure the people who teach the youth are truly ready for the job. And that is about Republic Act Number 7836, Teachers Professionalization on Act of 1994.